Hi friends, in this video we will check connectivity between these two species. It can send data or not. First of all, we will click here. First we will see what is the IP address of this PC. So here you can see 192.0.0.1. So we will ping from this device. So we will use command prompt here. Just write ping 192.0.0.1. That was 103. So let's check it. Timeout. I think that was not the IP address of this PC. Lost. So we'll check again. So this is same PC. But if I want to change here, so first I will come here, desktop, close it, and assign 0 192.0.0.2. So now assigned. Let's now check it. 1. Reply has coming. Now you can see low star 0. Where that's now received 4. Send 4. It means our system is working. So we will discuss in upcoming videos more details. So this was our video. So now if I come here and I will check from same place here prompt. So what was the IP address of this device? So I will check 192. Ping command, use ping 192.0.0.2. Enter. Invalid means it was mistake by in spelling. So just write this, and now both are working. So this was our video. If you liked, so please like my videos and subscribe channel and share with your friends as well. So thank you for watching.